Good morning.
What is it? What is this good morning in Italian? It's been so long, I don't remember. Buongiorno?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Allora.
We have a situation here where the new turbo decided to seize up after a test last night. And, well, yeah, it was dripping oil everywhere. And not very fun, especially being a new turbo. It was spicy though at the beginning. Alex was having fun. And yeah, probably now we have to put back the stock turbo.
Even the back lines have oil on them. That's insane. That thing probably has oil in it. Hopefully, that sound can right there.
Stancy boy. Zane arrived his new chaser that he swapped for his RX-7.
Down and deep in my loneliness, it's killing me. So pull this little swap the turbo dump pipe off of this turbo, put it on the old.
And the color was nice.
Yeah. That's a very good sign. No turbo bits are on the magnet, so sweet. Fuck. Yeah, that's not Oh man, it was pouring down. I had a nice dry space. That's great. So it's kind of coming through, but there he is. This little guy. Fuck me, that's quite a lot.
Yeah, I think there's another bit there in that fin. See that fin there?
Yeah. I'm just trying to knock it free. could just do that and fuck it. Just angle a little bit. There you go. It's not genuine from Amazon JP. Why would I use it?
Space, you're stupid not to. Even if it's sunny, it'll keep the sun off you, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I've got the space.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All good?
They're off the jack stands.
MSI, never heard? Old MSI. Oh, nice.
So Alex's car now is running normal boost, and we came to UpGarage to get some couplers and something else. So now Alex is doing things. I think it's hooking the boost controller. So what's cooking?
Fucking the wastegate or the boost controller back up. Just gonna keep it stock boost, but just maybe raise it to like 0.8, 0.9. See the blow-off valve is shooting some oil across the. Oh.
And now of course we have to come to Big Bang.